Hi everybody. So in one of my videos, I showed you how to add the Screencastify Google extension onto your Chrome web browser. Now I just want to show you kind of what it looks like when you use it and what are the different tools that it has available to you. So one of the things you could use Screencastify for is obviously your book talk. So that's why I have my book talk open. What I'm going to do is I need to figure out what I want to record. So I want to record my face. I want to record me talking. I also want to record my Google Slides presentation that I created. So I would open that up or open up the Google Doc that you have or whatever it is that you want to share for your book talk. Okay. Mine was a Google Slides presentation, so that's what I have open. I have it open. I'm going to go up to the Screencastify extension that I added to my web browser, and I'm going to click on it. When I click on it, a screen like this comes up. If it's your first time clicking on Screencastify, you'll see that it will ask you a couple questions. It needs permission to access your camera. It needs permission to access your microphone, and it needs to ask those things of you. So there might be like a little couple of setup questions if it's your first time clicking on Screencastify. That'll only happen the one time, and then you should be able to use it just fine. So when you click on Screencastify, this is what should come up. And it's asking you, do you want to record this browser tab, just this tab? Or do you want to record your entire desktop? Or do you want to record just your web camera? Just your web camera would just be your face. So if you just want to record your face for something, for anything, you can do that. You can use that program for this. But Screencastify can also be used to show your face along with something that you would like to share on your computer. So I'm going to pick my browser tab. I just want to make sure that my camera is correct. Okay. And that my microphone is correct. Good. Perfect. Okay. I have multiple because I have a document camera and things like that. So I have multiple. If you only have one, it'll only have one option. So I have my browser tab open. I'm going to hit record. When I hit record, you'll see a countdown will come on. And when that countdown is on, I would like to put my book talk slide presentation into presentation mode. So I'm ready to go. So I'm going to hit record. You'll see the countdown. There it is. So I want to present from the beginning. Here's my book talk. So I can go through my whole book talk, click through. You can see there's two pictures now because I'm recording my screen. So that's why this one's here. And this one's here for Screencastify. So I go through. You can also move your picture while you're recording. If you would like it in a different place, you feel like it's blocking something, you can move it. I go through my presentation. I talk. I present everything I'm supposed to present for my book talk, blah, 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 blah. And now I'm done. Thank you for watching my presentation, right? So once you're done presenting whatever it is that you'd like to present on your screen, you're going to click on the Screencastify again. When you click on Screencastify, you're going to hit stop. Now you've stopped recording your screen. So now what comes up is this is Screencastify. Okay, so this is what this is, and that's what it's showing you. It saved it to my Google Drive. As soon as you open Screencastify, what it's going to do is Screencastify is going to start a folder in your Google Drive. So any video that you do on here, it is going to put straight onto your Google folder in your Google Drive. So it'll be called Screencastify and all your videos will be put in there. Once you're done recording, you can do a couple of things. You can put it straight to Google Classroom. I don't know why you would do that. Publish it to your YouTube. You can get a code to put it onto a different website. You can copy the shareable link. This means it'll copy it to your clipboard and you can paste it somewhere else. Now, it's already saved it straight to my Google Drive. So you can edit your video. I can listen to my video if I'd like to. I can play it. These scissors are cutting it from either end. Let's say you messed up in the beginning or you didn't get your presentation open in enough time, so you want to cut out that beginning. You just drag these scissors over and it'll trim the video for you. So if you drag them over, it'll cut out that part of the video, right? You don't have to. If you don't have anything to trim, then you don't have to worry about it. If you would like to trim, you can. You can trim from either side and then save. If you hit save, if you don't, it does take a couple minutes to do when you're doing that, but that's kind of basically what happens. Also, renaming the video, you can name it whatever you'd like, and that's how it will save into your Google Drive. So you can title it whatever you'd like to title it. You can go in and edit the options. There are some editing options, but they are limited with the free record version of Screencastify. Okay, if you need any other help or assistance, you can check out my other tutorials, or you can always email me and ask me any questions, and I'd be happy to help you set all of that up. Okay? I hope this was helpful, and if you need anything else, obviously always email me.